Quick heart-shaped romantic meal ideas, and today is heart-infused breakfast omelets. So I wanted to get something whipped up real quick so I can surprise my wife in bed with breakfast and come up with cheese omelets. So what I did is I put together some pancake batter with red food coloring inside a condiment dispenser and on top of the hot pan, and it's already been sprayed, of course, with that cooking spray. I'm drawing hearts. You got to be pretty quick and make the batter a little bit thick so it doesn't run everywhere. In a little bit here you'll see the egg come in. And you got to make sure when you put the egg in, it doesn't cover the tops of the hearts. Something very important to do is cover the pan, put a lid on it, keeps the heat inside, and it helps cook the top of that omelet. So it's easier to flip. And after you flip it, you throw your goods on top. This is cheese and some goat cheese. She loves that stuff. I sprinkle some quick bacon bits because I just didn't have time. And fold it and drop it on a plate. Boom. There it is. Gotta love it, right? She did. So you want to know more, see more recipes, more meal ideas, visit the website or visit the YouTube channel, doublelove7.com.